Look around you. Millions of people are working harder than ever before, yet most of them are still broke. They get salary increases, they hustle more. Some even work 2 jobs, but somehow they still struggle financially. Why? Because staying broke has less to do with income and more to do with mindset, habits, and financial decisions. In this video, you'll discover the real reasons why 90% of people never escape financial struggle. Most people believe, if I earn more money, my problems will disappear. But that's not true. The sad reality is, many people increase their income, but increase their expenses even faster. The moment they earn more, they upgrade their phone, buy expensive clothes, rent a more expensive apartment, start trying to impress people online. And suddenly they are broke again. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps millions trapped financially for years. One major reason people stay broke is because they spend money trying to look rich. Think about it. Some people buy designer clothes, expensive cars, luxury phones, not because they truly need them, but because they want validation. Social media has made this even worse. People are now competing with strangers online, trying to prove they're successful. Meanwhile, true wealthy people often live below their means. They invest more than they show off. Poor people buy liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Another reason most people stay broke is because school never taught them financial education. Most people know how to pass exams, but don't know how money works. They don't understand investing, saving, budgeting, passive income, compound interest. And because of that, every paycheck disappears quickly. Wealthy people study money. Poor people only chase money, a salary. And that's dangerous, because if that income stops, everything crashes. Wealthy people understand something important. Multiple income streams create financial security. That's why many rich people invest, start businesses, create digital products, build online brands, own assets. In today's world, the internet has made it easier than ever to build extra income, but most people spend more time scrolling than learning skills that could change their lives. Most people want fast money, fast success, instant results. But wealth doesn't work like that. Real wealth is usually built slowly, through consistency, smart decisions, discipline, and patience. Many people quit too early. They give up after a few failures. Meanwhile, successful people stay consistent long enough to see results. If you truly want to escape being broke, start changing how you think about money. Learn valuable skills, control your spending, invest in your future, and most importantly, stop trying to look rich and start trying to become wealthy. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Wealth Nation for more powerful videos about money, success, and financial freedom. Your journey to wealth starts now.